to my channel. Yes, I'm showing you guys what I got in my Hellofresh box. I love getting these boxes just because I like trying new foods. I get super excited for trying stuff that I've never tried before, and this place has actually got me to try things. I've never tried asparagus before. I've never tried couscous. I've had duck like one other time, and I've had some other meals. They have different options to choose from. Usually it's like 12 different meals, and you guys can choose this on a weekly basis if you want, or you guys can just do it whenever. I do it just whenever. But if you guys are interested in joining Hellofresh, you guys can actually join. You guys can actually click my referral link below, and you guys can get one of your weeks for just $19.94. 3 meals, including meat, for $19.94. I think that is an awesome deal. They do have some premium meals that usually cost like $5 more a person. I do that because sometimes I just want to crave some stuff. And then they also have a veggie option, and then they have like a lunch to dinner option too, which it's something new. Ben, I gotta sit on my computer. I gotta put this box down for a second. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got in the box. Pretty excited to share with you guys. Like, I love HelloFresh, and it's so easy to make this stuff. This is an excuse, hold on, this is an excuse for the husband and I to make meals together, eat food together, because we're always going out to eat, which kind of sucks. And if you guys think about it, just buying one box is less than going out to eat for dinner, you guys, just saying. So usually they give you like some coupons or whatever inside these little envelopes. Here I got 15% off a Third Love, which I've never heard of. And then Quip, which is I've actually heard of this. It's a toothbrush. It's like a weird toothbrush. So that, and then always they give you some cards on top. Now, I ended up paying a little bit more for this. So I got the New York strip steak with mushroom sauce, with roasted baby carrots, caramelized mashed potatoes. I don't like carrots. I'll eat sometimes, but if it's like, you know, I don't know, we'll try it. So this is a meal that my husband and I are going to eat together. But this is the one that I actually paid $5 more a person for because I was really excited for it. It does take 50 minutes to make, but it's something easy. And then, so what I end up doing is I save all these cards and I put them in a little binder. So then when I want to make these meals again, I can go get these ingredients. And then they usually have like a card showing what everything is. The next meal I got is the Caramelized Shallot Risotto with lemony zucchini ribbon. I'm pretty excited to try this. You know, it does take 50 minutes. Most of these meals are 30 minutes or less, but Benjamin, are you okay? Be careful, sweetie. So the next thing we got that. And then the last item I got is the Figge Balsamic Pork. It is with roasted green beans and rosemary potatoes. I think we got this already. I cannot remember. It sounds familiar. Some of these they do repeat, and some of them they don't. I think this is one that we've actually tried. So excited to try that again. And then here they usually give you, hold on honey, they usually give you the nutrition facts or nutrition info. So this is for week 34. So what you guys do is you order it, and then they ship it out like a day. And if you guys just living in a hot summer day, this stuff is still like nice and cold. The delivery driver just dropped it off at our house, so I went and grabbed it. But every week it's like a different type of insulation. Sometimes it's different insulation. I don't know if they just are trying to test out cheaper things to ship, but just wanted to give you a heads up. So I'm going to open one of these and show you guys everything that you get. So what we got is it's leaking. I don't know if it's because of the ice pack. But I got the Figge Balsamic Pork, so we're just going to open this to show you guys what is inside. So the first thing they give you is all the green beans. They sometimes give you more than what you truly need, but you got the green beans included. Here we got this doesn't say what this is. I'm assuming this is the basil or something like that. They actually shipped this to me a lot differently. In the past, I put all this stuff in baggies, but I got a bunch of different potatoes. So there's a bunch of different, there's like 5 or 6, there's like 5 potatoes in here. I also got my small onion. They got the chicken stock. some of the stuff comes in the cutest little jars. This is the fig preserve, so it's like a little fig thing. I don't even know. This is so cute. I love that. And then here they gave you a small bottle of the balsamic vinegar. So there is that. So that's what they usually send you in the bag. It's everything that you need. Sometimes you just need to provide, like, you know, the salt and the pepper and then the dishes. And it comes in just like a little bag. So we got the Figge balsamic pork. Benjamin, can you go away for a second? The next deal we got is the caramelized shallot risotto. And then this is the one that I paid a little extra for. There's a lot of stuff in here. It's pretty heavy. New York strip in a mushroom sauce, which I am so excited to do this. Now I also will be showing you guys another video with all three meals and kind of what they look like and what my opinion is. And then at the very bottom, you got your ice pack. Now, they usually, sometimes this is like solid and sometimes it's not. I think this installation, they didn't do a very good job because this is already melted. It's still a block of ice, but it's already like pre-melted. Here they give you the pork tenderloin, so you get the nice pork tenderloin. And then here is my New York steak, New York strip steak, which looks actually pretty good. So we got that. And then since I did get one meal that was a vegetarian, I think the caramelized shallot risotto or whatever, this I think is the vegetarian meal. I decided to do a vegetarian meal. So yes, I really love Hellofresh. I love getting these meals. You guys, oh, I can't put it down. Good, Ben. You guys can join too by clicking my referral link. You guys can get your first week for $19.94. Otherwise, if you guys decide if you do want to continue doing it, it does cost like $60 a month. I wouldn't say get it if you guys really enjoy it. It's about $20 a meal if you guys really enjoy that, which is still cheaper than going out. But I say just give it a try and then cancel it. That's all you guys have to do, and you guys, you know, get it for $19.94, which is awesome. So $40 off your first box, and then you just cancel it. But yes, if you guys enjoy it, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you guys can see updates on these videos. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and give this video a thumbs up according to Benjamin, and we will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.